Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a window in Sketchup. So for this I am going to draw a outer shape of the wall using rectangle tool, and we'll give this side of the outer wall as 15 feet, 10 feet. And now I am going to give an offset of 9 inches to the outer wall, and you can use push pull tool to extrude this wall to 10 feet height. And now I'm going to draw window here, and you can use rectangle tool to draw the outer size of the window, and we'll give this size as 5 feet, 5 feet. And now I'm going to use push pull tool, and you can create an opening here and use orbit tool. So this is properly cut in the wall. So now I'm going to select on the wall and I will make a group. So you are always required to make a group while using SketchUp, so it will be easy. And now I'm going to draw frame of the window, so I will use rectangle tool here again, and now you can use push pull tool, and you can create a frame of this window. And now I'm going to give an offset here. You can give 3 feet offset, and you can use push pull tool, and you can create an opening using this frame. And now I am going to select opening, and I will right click and I will make a group of this frame. Next we are going to draw glass for this. So again we will use rectangle tool, and now I will move this, make a group of this, and you can move this inside. So this is our glass material. So the last thing is that we are required to apply material. So I am going to use wood material here for frame, and I will use this one and I will apply material. So now I am going to apply glass material, and we'll use glass and mirrors, and you can use translucent glass blue, the basic, and you can see this is our window. So likewise you can create two frame window also using same method. So now I will show you how to draw a two frame window here, and now I am going to draw another rectangle. So before that you are required to select the wall, because we are in now group, so we are required to double click this to edit this wall. So now I am going to use this rectangle tool, and I am going to give this height of same size here, and I will give this height of 5 feet, 6 feet. And now I'm going to use push pull tool, and we'll create another opening here, you can see here. And now we'll come out with this group. So now I'm going to create a door frame, a window frame here, and we'll use rectangle tool here. And now I'm going to use push pull tool. We'll extrude this, and We'll extrude this till the wall thickness. And now I'm going to use offset tool here, and we'll give this offset 2 inches. And I'm going to create a mid center here using pencil tool, or you can copy this edge here. You can select and you can press control and select this another one, and now you can use move with control to make a copy of this, and you can make a central point here of this line. So now you can use erase tool to erase this joints here, intersections. And so now we are almost done here, and now I'm going to use push pull tool. So this is the door frame, a window frame we have created, and now I'm going to create a group of this, and now we'll use again rectangle for creating glass here. And now I'm going to create a group here, and I will move this inside, and now I'm going to create a copy. Press control and I will move this here, make a copy. So now I'm going to apply material using the same techniques, and I will apply glass material translucent, and for outer frame I'm going to apply wood. So now this is the simple process of making windows in SketchUp, and you can also download from SketchUp warehouse, so that is in later, but you can create basic modeling of windows using this method. I can create lintel also, and you can create a lintel or window sunset. You can use push pull tool here, and you can create a window shade. So now this is the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will tell you how to create doors in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.